kids! Welcome back to Teacher Shess channel. Join me in a day of fun and learning.
Hi kids! Our lesson for today is about solving 1 to 2 step word problems involving multiplication, addition, and subtraction. In our previous lesson, we have learned that if we say 1-step word problem, it means that we are only going to use one operation to solve the problem. Now, 2-step word problems are problems that require multiple steps to solve. They usually involve at least 2 different operations. They could either be to multiply, to add, or to subtract. We follow steps in solving word problems, and here are they. The first one is to understand the problem. In understanding the problem, you have to ask yourself what are you asked to find out and what are the given facts. Step number 2 is to make a plan. In making a plan, you have to identify the fundamental operation to be used and to write the number sentence. And the last step is to solve and answer. You have to solve and follow your plan, then state the correct answer with the corresponding unit of measure. Following these steps, let us try to solve this word problem. Let's practice. In a grade 2 classroom, the teacher instructed the janitor to arrange the chairs. She wanted to have 6 chairs per row and 5 chairs per column. How many chairs were needed in the grade 2 classroom? Using the steps in solving word problems, the first question to answer is what is asked. From the word problem, the question to be answered is how many chairs were needed in the grade 2 classroom. The second one is to identify the given facts. In the word problem, the given facts are 6 chairs per row and 5 chairs per column. Step number 3 is to identify what operation are we going to use to solve the word problem. And the operation to be used is multiplication. The fourth one is to write the number sentence. The number sentence for this word problem should be 6 times 5 is equal to n. And the last step is to solve and answer. 6 times 5 is equal to 30. Therefore, the answer is 30 chairs are needed in the grade 2 classroom. Now let us try another one, this time a 2-step word problem. Lina went shopping and bought 3 blouses worth 250 pesos each and 2 pairs of jeans worth 350 pesos each. How much did she spend for her clothes? As you can see in this word problem, you have to determine first how much is the worth of the 3 blouses and the worth of the 2 pairs of jeans. And lastly, you have to determine the total amount of money Lina spent in buying all of her clothes. Now, following the steps in solving the word problem, the first question to answer is what is asked. In the word problem, the question to be answered is how much did she spend for her clothes? Step number 2 is to find out the given facts. In the word problem, the given facts are 3 blouses worth 250 pesos each and 2 pairs of jeans worth 350 pesos each. Step number 3 is to determine what operation to be used to solve the word problem. And since this is a 2-step word problem, the operations to be used to solve this problem are multiplication and addition. And step number 4 is to write down the number sentence. And the number sentence should be 3 times 250 plus 2 times 350 is equals to n. The last step is to solve and answer. In the word problem, the first thing to do is to identify first how much is the worth of the 3 blouses. So 3 times 250 pesos each is equal to 750 pesos. And the cost of the 2 pairs of jeans is 2 times 350 is equal to 700 pesos. Therefore, if we combine the prices of the blouses and the pair of jeans, 750 plus 700 is equal to 1,450. Therefore, the total money spent for Lina's clothes is 1,450 pesos. Now it's your turn. Try to solve the following word problems using the steps in solving. The first word problem is Martha was asked to buy pots of flowers to be offered for the Sunday Holy Mass. She was able to buy 12 pots with 5 flowers each. How many flowers will be offered during the Sunday Holy Mass? Problem number 2 is the amount of expenses of an ordinary pupil per day is 75 pesos. How much are his total expenses per week? Problem number 3 is in the recent choir competition, there were 60 participants. They were divided into 9 groups with 6 members each. How many participants were not accommodated? And For our last activity, I want you to arrange the following according to the sequence or steps in solving word problems. Write the numbers 1 to 5 on the blank. Good luck on answering all of your activities, and I hope that you learned something new today. See you in our next class. Bye!
Thank you for watching today's video. Hope to see you in our next class.